In the last tutorial, we have learnt about some basic concepts of Excel function, how to write Excel formulas, what is syntax, what is argument, what operators we can use in Excel formulas, and the most important is what is absolute cell reference, relative cell reference, and a mix of both. If you missed that tutorial about the basic concepts of Excel function, then the link is provided at the top of this video or you can find it in the description below. There are so many functions and formulas in Excel. We will cover all the important formulas that you need to know. In this tutorial, I will cover the date and time functions, and the three important date and time functions are network days, today and now. Network days function is used to get the number of working days or weekdays between two specific dates. Let's see how it works with practical example. This formula has three arguments: start date, end date, and holidays. The third argument is optional. If you have only start and end date, you can provide both of them and you can ignore the list of holidays that you have. So let's see how it works. Say suppose I have start date 7th July, end date 14th July. So if I want to know how many working days I have between 7th July and 14th July, this formula will help me out. One very important thing is this formula by default automatically excludes weekends, which is a Saturday and Sunday. So let's apply the formula equal to net work days. It is asking the first argument start date, which is 7 July, comma, the end date, which is 14 July, and I will close the bracket, press enter. This is giving me 6 working days. Let's see it on the calendar. Alright, in this calendar, my start date was 7th July and end date was 14th July. So it gives me the result of 6 working days. So here you can see it excludes the 10th and 11th July, which is Saturday and Sunday. So from 7 to 14, it counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it returns 6 working days. Let's see if I have some list of holidays, like I already have applied here 12th July and 13th July. So again put the formula equal to net work days. My start date is 7th July, comma, my end date is 14th July, and I also want to exclude the list of holidays that are coming between my start and end date, which is 12th July and 13th July. You can provide it individually or you can provide it as a range. Close the bracket and press enter. It returns 4 working days. So let's see it on the calendar. You can see here, let me zoom in. Alright. So my start date is 7th July, my end date is 14th July, and my holidays you can see here is 12th and 13th July. So 12th and 13th July are my holidays, so it counts 1, 2, 3 and 4 and returns there are 4 working days between 7th July and 14th July, excluding your weekend and holidays. Today function is very simple and it is used to get the current date in your workbook regardless of when you are opening it. For example, if I am opening my workbook today, it should show me the date of today, and when I open it tomorrow, it will show me the date of tomorrow. Let's see how it works. Today function is very straightforward. It has no arguments, so you can directly write the formula in this cell. So let's say I write equal to today bracket open close and then press enter. It is giving me the date of today as per my system. So my system says the date of today is 29th of April 2021. So it is returning me the same date. You can also add days to this current date by using equal to today. If I write plus 5, it will add 5 days to the current date, which is 4th of May. You can also get the current year by writing equal to year and then write today function. The red highlighted brackets are for today function and I am closing the bracket for the year. Press enter. It is giving me the current year. You can get the current month equal to month today and press enter. it is giving me the 4th number, and April month is on the serial number 4. And for date, you can also get the current date. Do not write DATE, it is DAY, day, today, and then press enter. You will get the current date. So in my system it is 29th, so it is giving me the 29th April. One very beautiful example of today wherein you can use it is when you want to calculate the elapsed time between today and the date when an event occurred. For example, I have some reports to be delivered to my client on 25th of April, which is gone. And I want to know how many days has been elapsed. So you can write here equal to today minus this current date. Sorry, this the date that event has occurred, and press enter. You are getting it in the date format because by default Excel takes the today function in the date format. You can change the format from here. Text. So it is giving me 4 days. 4 days has been elapsed. Now function is very similar to today function. The only difference is now function tells you current date and time, and today function tells you only the current date. So let's see the practical example of now function. This function do not have any argument in it. So like I said, this is very direct and simple function. If you write in your cell equal to now bracket open and close, press enter, it gives you the current date and time as per your system. So in my system I have 29th of April 2021 and the time is 15:49. So it is giving me the same date. See, the minute has changed. It is 48 here and it is 49 here. Let me save this file, close it and open it again. When you open the file again, you will see that this formula has been updated automatically. So it updates itself. The Excel stores the date in the serial numbers, and by default it takes January 1, 1900 as the serial number 1. You can also add numbers to this formula, like equal to now. If I add +5 to it, it will add 5 days to the current date. If I press enter, it gives me 4th of May 2021, 15:49 time. I hope that you found this video useful. Please hit the subscribe button if you like it. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.